So with just 2 ingredients and 60 seconds, you can create some awesome gelatos. I'm going to show you 3 flavors. Firstly, some mango coconut, a banana caramel, and some berry maple. So first what you do is we need 500 grams of frozen mango, and now we want to blitz it until it's just become a fine crumb. And then I've got a cup of coconut yogurt. So this is a dairy-free option, and the coconut yogurt gives it a great coconut backing to the mango. And now we're going to process that again, and you'll see it becomes instant gelato. And a few seconds later, you have this awesome instant gelato. Look at that. And now we're going to repeat that process, but with some mixed berries and maple syrup. Just make sure you're getting all those pieces into a nice fine crumb again. And then we're just going to gradually add our maple syrup. If you look at that texture, it is so beautiful and smooth, and only with those 2 ingredients. But I'm going to put this into a container and freeze it as well and scoop it later. And we can do that again for the banana caramel, some frozen bananas, and some dulce de leche. And there it is, ready to go. And it's beautiful and smooth. But I'm going to resist temptation, and I'm going to freeze it in a container for a couple of hours until I'm ready for it. Just dish them up in some bowls. And I think that's a pretty impressive 60-second dessert.